we're going to make Come As You Are coconut, organic, hazelnut milk chocolate
Spread.
You can spread it if you like.
So let's start. Okay.
Pour it in.
It calls for 50 to 90 grams sugar, but we are going to use...
We're using
organic coconut syrup.
And you know we like it because look.
It's nearly finished. Okay,
here we go.
So watch this, huh?
Watch this.
Don't want it to be too sweet. Stop.
Perfect. Just the way I like it.
Next, we will. Okay, since we're not going to use, we're not using sugar, so we don't need this portion. So we can just skip it. Okay, now we add in the 80 grams hazelnuts. Ta-da! I'm just using cold hazelnuts. So 80 grams. Again, this one.
Hang on.
Oh,
Let me get my act together.
that's really ready. Go, go, go.
Perfect again.
Okay, so next we are going to put in 100 grams dark chocolate. We are going to use our organic choc chips.
And boy, do I love them, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what is that? 100 grams.
So that's 100 grams. We can probably put more.
Sorry, what's up there? Can't see.
Lagi lah.
You're lucky lah.
Lagi. Okay, enough actually. It's more. Alright.
Ooh,
It's alright.
perfect. Of course it's alright. I'll make that.
Next. We're going to insert the measuring cup. Mixing bowl lid. Next. It's going to be a noisy one. So the mix is like this. Because we use the coconut syrup instead of sugar, so it's a little bit wetter. But yeah, better.
Are we using the coconut oil?
Okay, so we go next. Scrape down. Now it's 30 to 50 grams cocoa powder. So what we're using is organic cacao.
Much?
Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so that's in there. And then we have 70 grams of butter cut into pieces, but we're not going to use butter.
We'll
We
use
are going to
50-50.
use-
Let's use 50-50.
You want to use 50-50?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to use some organic extra virgin coconut oil.
What do we want?
Why don't you put the butter
What do we
first,
want?
honey? Put the butter first so that you know how to gauge how much is this.
Okay.
It's easier. So,
Pizza cake?
Yeah, probably. And that is 8 grams, so maybe the other little bit. so that's like 16. So the rest, that, or you want to put some more butter?
I don't know.
Okay.
How much more?
Alright, so that's 30, so 40 grams of extra virgin.
What's that?
That's 66, so just a touch more. Okay. Okay, next one, we're going to use 100 grams full cream milk. And we're not going to use full cream milk because lactose intolerance.
We're using straight from the Farmer Girl.
We're using Pure Harvest
Farmer Girl.
organic oat milk.
It's the goat milk.
So be careful. So it's 100
Greatest
grams.
of all time.
Be careful.
Perfect.
Okay, so that is the mix. So the coconut oil, ada butter, ada cocoa powder, and oat milk. Next, insert ini. And it will be on speed 3. Unveil it. Ooh, yum yum.
You know what I wanted to test it on? It might sound a bit funny, but celery.
No, why not?
First time in my life, I'm going to try chocolate and celery.
Try it. Is it good?
Not bad, actually.
Cool.
I'm going in for second.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's so good. I've nearly wolfed the whole lot down. Everyone loves it.
Hey, okay. Oh, look at that. Yum yum.